Hey there, barbecue buddies! Join us on a journey through the sizzling world of the best electric smokers for 2024. We're about to discover the warmth, simplicity, and smoky goodness these top picks bring to your backyard grilling game. I've listed my top choices from easy-to-use features to spacious interiors. We've got it all covered. Imagine effortlessly smoking your favorite meats and veggies without the hassle. That's the kind of barbecue magic we're talking about. So grab a seat, relax, and let's explore the must-have electric smokers for the coming year. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Join me as we uncover the secrets to mouth-watering flavors and stress-free grilling. And hey, for those looking to snag one of these bad boys, the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's make 2024 the year of epic backyard barbecues. Number 5. Bradley Smoker BS1019. Here's my top choice for the best convenience and flavor control. Got this sleek electric smoker that's known for delivering awesome smoke flavor. It's all shiny stainless steel, giving off a clean look. And get this, it's powered by AC or DC, so it's super versatile. Check this out, it's all about convenience with 4 racks, not your average meat smoker. Toss in your biscuits and it keeps on smoking for up to 10 hours. And the separate heating elements make sure the smoke box stays at the perfect temperature, giving you that consistent perfect flavor every time. What I recommend about this smoker is its easy to clean stainless steel interior and a removable diffuser for a hassle-free cleanup. Bradley Smoker knows their game and their motto is it's all about the flavor. Number 4. Denlow DGU732SD30. It's a solid choice for best hassle-free smoking. This one's in a sleek silver color made with alloy steel for durability. Check this out, it's got 4 chrome-plated steel cooking grates, giving you a hopping 732 square inches of cooking space. Setting and keeping an eye on cooking time and temps is super easy with the digital thermostat and control panel display. And wait for it, there's a built-in meat thermometer so you can track the inside temp without messing up your cooking vibe. Cool, right? I recommend this smoker for its versatile options, including a removable rib rack and sausage hooks. Need to access water or wood chips? No worries, the bottom access drawer has you covered. With adjustable door latches and a flexible high-temp door seal, it minimizes smoke and heat loss. For those colder climates, the 1000-watt burner provides ample cooking power. And if you need mobility, the rear handle and heavy-duty casters make it easy. Number 3. Ninja OG751BRN. This is my top pick for the best multi-functional option. As a master grill, it gives you the performance of a full-size propane grill, complete with that perfect char and searing. The foolproof BBQ smoker feature lets you create authentic BBQ bark and flavor effortlessly with just half a cup of pellets. And get this, it doubles as an outdoor air fryer, adding that smoky touch to your air-fried favorites. Powered by electricity, but fueled by real burning wood pellets through Ninja Woodfire technology, it brings out rich, smoky flavor you can both see and taste with any cook function. Guess what? It's got these special wood pellets, 2 awesome blends of 100% real hardwood for that extra flavor kick. And get this, there's a built-in thermometer to keep an eye on your food, and with a weather-resistant design you can cook and store outside all year. Plus, it's perfect for apartments electric-powered, so no need for charcoal, propane, or flare-ups. Number 2. Quart COS330. My top choice for best practical barbecue experience. With a 548 square inch interior, there's plenty of room to smoke various meats and veggies. The vertical design makes it just right for patios and barbecue kitchens. Here's why I recommend it. Comes with 3 removable smoking shelves, chrome-plated steel racks that make smoking large cuts of meat a breeze. Plus, these racks are dishwasher safe, keeping cleanup simple. The built-in thermometer on the front door makes monitoring the internal temperature easy. With a 1500-watt heating element, you can easily control temperatures from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with a simple dial. The stainless steel trays hold wood chips and water, ensuring easy cleanup after use, just what you need for a hassle-free grilling experience. Remember, this smoker requires wood chips when grilling. Number 1. Masterbuilt Mb20072918. Here's my top pick for the best overall. It's a 40-inch digital electric smoker in a classic black color. No need to fuss with different fuels, it runs on electricity. The outer material is cold-rolled steel, giving it a sturdy build at 58.3 pounds. Size-wise, it's 19.9-inch depth by 25.6-inch width by 41.3-inch height. This one's awesome with a whopping 970 square inches of cooking space, perfect for all your smoking adventures. It's an electric smoker, so no dealing with charcoal or gas headaches. And the inside is made of steel, so you know it's built to last. Alright, my BBQ buddies, that wraps up our chat about the best electric smokers for 2024. If you're ready to level up your grilling game, you've got some stellar options to consider. And hey, to snag these gems at the best prices, check out the links in the description, because who doesn't love a good deal, right? Now, if this video served you some solid insights, let's keep the good vibes rolling. Give us a thumbs up, it's like a virtual high five. And don't keep this treasure trove of info to yourself, share it with your fellow grill enthusiasts. But wait, here's more. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon to stay in the loop with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Trust me, you won't want to miss the grilling wisdom we're dishing out. Until next time, happy smoking, and here's to epic backyard barbecues.